Tingnan natin kung makakabili na ba ng isang sasakyan yung gastos ko kay Mira, no? Dahil maintenance yung pinag-uusapan natin, kasama na yung change oil, no? So, 2,080 change oil plus tapos coil spring sa likod, 2,150. Wheel bearing, 6,400 kasi may kasamang labor yan. Engine support, 6,070. Rear shock absorber, 4,030. Brake cleaning, 190 pesos lang. Intake bracket pipe, 191. Akibono brake pad, 1,990. Brake caliper kit, 690. Air filter housing bushing, 210. Transmission support, 2,810. Throttle body cleaning, kasama yung map sensor, 400. Yung mga lang, cleaner. Fuel filter replacement, 1,900. Front shock absorber, 6,669. Shock mount, 810. Dust cover, 290. Radiator fan motor, 5,200. Coolant flashing, 960. CV joint regrease, 600. Fuel injector cleaning, 288. Ball joints, 1,400. Tie rod end, 1,900. Mugs tsaka tires, 22,900. Change oil package, 1,600. Mudguard, 481. Rotor disc, 2,800. Steering rack bushing, 224. Plus rack end, 1,156. Lower arm bushing, 1,250. Ang total niya ay 77,639. Malaki-laki na rin, guys. Take note, hindi pa kasama dyan yung labor kasi ako lang ang gumawa, no? Ang meron lang dito sa costing natin, yung merong labor, yung bearing. Kasi nung pinagawa ko yon, wala akong oras, saka wala akong gamit, no? So kaya pinagawa ko. Pero yung materials na gamit lang doon, 1,300 yata ang isang bearing, no? So dalawa, 2,600. Tapos yung iba doon, labor na. Di ba? Ang laki ng labor, no? So yun lang. I think makakabili na rin ng mumurahing sasakyan na second hand.